Hello, I'm Martin Smith and this is your UFX Markets Week in Review. Today we'll cover some of the major events of the past week and discuss how they impact the global currency markets. Last week, France and Austria's credit ratings were cut to A+ from AAA as Standard & Poor's rating agency warned that efforts to stem the European debt crisis are still falling short. Finland, the Netherlands and Luxembourg retained AAA ratings, although they were put on negative watch. Spain and Italy's credit ratings were among the 9 nations that were downgraded, while Germany retains a stable AAA ratings grade. European leaders continue to strive to maintain budget order in an effort to contain the crisis, which is now in its 3rd year. However, the downgrade of the French credit rating may now hinder efforts to raise money for the Eurozone bailout. On Friday, the euro fell to its weakest level in 16 months against the dollar and was last trading at the level of 126.78, which is a decrease of minus 1.06%. The Canadian dollar fell against the US dollar as Standard & Poor's reduced the sovereign debt ratings of nations in the Eurozone, decreasing investor demand for riskier assets. The Canadian dollar was last trading at the level of 102.29, which is an increase of 0.40%. The British pound decreased to a 17-month low against the US dollar as concern about the European debt crisis led investors to prefer the safety of the American currency. The United Kingdom remains in the exclusive group of countries with a credit rating of AAA. Last Friday, the pound was trading at the level of 153.12, a decrease of minus 0.12%. In commodities, oil declined to a 3-week low as European Union officials reported that an embargo on imports of Iranian crude might be delayed for 6 months so that nations will be able to find new supplies. Oil was trading last Friday at a level of 98.70, a decrease of minus 0.40%. China stepped up its imports of gold from Hong Kong, and its hoarding of the precious metal is making more traders bullish. The rebound in gold is, however, threatened by a strengthening US dollar, which climbed to a 15-month high against 6 major currencies. Gold was last trading at the level of 1638.68, which is a decrease of minus 0.67%. Well, that's all we have time for today. I hope you've enjoyed this week's review and you'll join us next week. Until then, be sure to visit us at ufxmarkets.com for all your online trading needs. For UFX Markets, I'm Martin Smith. Good luck and happy trading.